I'll save the other two differentiators when my colleagues have finished in a moment.
Lucia.
I am one of the original co-founder of Mobissimo.com, which is a meta travel search engine. Our technology is based on more than 5 years research at Stanford University, and three of the original co-founders, we have been three at the first stage, and two of them are Italian. So I can tell you that Mobissimo.com has an Italian product to be, which has been exported to the United States. I'm not sure that a merchant site will become a search engine, and I agree with my colleagues for two main reasons. The first one is the business model. Our business model, and I'm talking about meta search engine models, is based on advertising. We don't sell anything. Merchant sites have a different business model, which is based on selling products. First remark. And the second one is technology. We are a search engine seeking a lot of databases, and not like merchant site going just in one database. Can you imagine Orbitz or TravelZoo or Expedia displaying fares from each other? Question mark. That's my point of view.
That's a very good question. And I hope it's one we can ask them. But we'll ask them in a minute. Lise, you've, I believe, got a short presentation you have in answer to this question. So please come up and deliver it.
Hello?
We can look at it here.
How are you? Okay. You know, I'm not a native English speaker, so I think something's going wrong here. So I'm going to try my bad Italian. Buongiorno! It's not working. Come state? Come on, we're in Italy. It's the last presentation. We're here to talk about share. Let's show a little bit more exciting. How are you? All right, that's much better. Good, thank you. Okay, so today just going to be very, very brief, right? And talk a little bit about, first, just a little bit overview about Expedia, then try to answer the question about if the OLTAs will become search engines, and then give you a little bit about what I think is a recipe for success for search engines and where search comes into play, and then I'll summarize the conclusion. So a little bit about Expedia. All right, so Expedia was born as part of Microsoft in 1996, right? Originally, Expedia was going to be a kind of a travel encyclopedia. If you have heard about Encarta, right, the Microsoft Encyclopedia, that's the similarities in name. Expedia was going to be the travel encyclopedia for Microsoft, and a person by the name of Rich Barton, the product manager at that point in time, convinced Bill Gates that, no, let's put this information on the internet and sell travel. And that's how Expedia was born. We were born as a technology company, right? And in 1997, the first Expedia website went live. Now, we were born as a technology company, but and kept that passion for innovation and excellent technology in Microsoft, but we're now a travel company. So we're right now the leading online travel company, okay? So what's our mission? Our mission is to build the world largest and most intelligent marketplace, right? Where more consumers can come, right? And buy and travel, right? We want to bring the best travel reservation services and destination information to a lot of consumers, right? And in the same token, bring that type of demand to suppliers. And to the suppliers, we aim to be the marketing and distribution partner of choice. Okay? So which brands do we have? We have the Expedia brand, Hotels.com, Hotwire, Agencia, which is our corporate brand, Venere.com, right, is our brand too. TripAdvisor, Classic Custom Vacations, the affiliate network, etc. Okay? So, enough about Expedia. Okay? Now the question, will the OTAs become search engines? So let's show some hands in the audience. Who think they will? Nobody? Okay, one. Who thinks they won't? Okay. I'm not counting well. Okay. Who thinks they will? The same one. Okay, I haven't changed that much. Who thinks they won't? All right, so it seems like they won't. Actually, this is what I think. I am really not sure. Things change. Could happen. Could happen. But what I'm sure of, right, is that search is really, really important, right, in the way we do business for the OLTAs, right? First, how we interact to search engines to bring traffic to our sites, right? And then once the consumer is in our site, how can we help that consumer find the right product for them, okay? So let me tell you a little bit about the recipe for success. And that's a personal opinion, sharing what's the recipe for success for an OTA. There are 3 components that are very, very important for the OLTAs. Very simple: supply, marketing, and retail. Okay? I'm going to very briefly go and walk you. Supply. All right. So there's tons of hotels out there. About 348,000 hotels in Europe. Not hotels, but lodging establishments. About 45% of those are hotels. The rest can be guest houses, campsites, etc. But there's a lot of supply, right? And hotels, they're not a commodity, right? People stay in those hotels, otherwise they were closed. And what the internet has done is bring the consumer closer to those hotels. In Expedia, we offer about 34,000 hotels in Western Europe, and we got about 100,000 hotels around the world, right? So we have to put the offer out there to the consumer, because consumers today got one choice, right? And what the internet has done is created demand, more demand for that choice, right? So that's about supply. Now, it's not just about selling a lot of hotels, it's selling a lot of hotels, but being able to have the right room types, for example, for those customers, right? Being able to have the right price at the right time. For example, our data shows that hotels that have a promotion, right, they convert about 1.4 times more than hotels that don't have a promotion, right? Now, the other component, marketing. We do a lot of things, we all do a lot of things to bring a lot of people to our website. We do TV, we do radio, we put advertising everywhere. We also do search, right? Search is a very important component of how we bring people to our sites, right? And we have to also do it smartly, because, for example, if you're looking for Florence, right, and people click in the search engines for Florence, you don't want to send them to your homepage. You want to read the information of where the customer wants to go and send it exactly, or give them exactly what they want, right? So we see supply, bring tons of product to offer, marketing, bring tons of people to the site. And finally, once you bring a ton of people to the site, you want to be able to help them find what they're looking for, and that's another component of search that is really important. In Expedia, for example, we have about 1,600 hotels in Rome. Wow. You search for Rome, you have 1,600 hotels. That's too much. So you have to offer the tools so that the customer can find exactly the product that is right for them. You offer a lot of filters. Now, the customer that filters, that converts better, of course, because you're taking the customer to exactly that set of products that are relevant for them, right? So search from that perspective is important. And from search, it also comes about how can you surface what is important for them. And of course, we spoke a lot about this during this conference, about the social media and customer recommendations, right? That is very important to help customer search for those hotels. Now, that does matter. That does matter because our data shows that a hotel with good reviews converts about 2.2 times higher than a hotels with bad reviews, right? So that's kind of important as well. So when you complete the cycle, right, you have the supply, you have the marketing, you have the retail,